Hey, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing how you can use the if, then, else statement in your VBA code. And it's a very handy weapon to have in your arsenal as it can be used for many different applications. For example, let's say you want your user to enter directions. So maybe N and you want it to display north or E for east, etc. But you're not sure which one your user will enter, and you want to cover all your bases. So that's pretty simple to do. So in our VBA, we're going to start off with a new subroutine. Then we're going to declare a few variables, so dim d as string, and r for results as string. Then we're going to do d equals range b3 dot value. Now we're going to start with our if statement. So we're going to do if d equals inside double quotes n, then we're going to do enter then, and then r for results equals inside double quotes again, north. Now if you want to cover all the other directions, that's simple as well. We're going to do an else if d equals inside double quotes e, then enter then, and then we're going to do r equals inside double quotes again, east. Now we're going to quickly copy this and then paste it twice to cover all the other directions. So W for west, S for south. Then we're going to close off our if statement by entering end if. Then we're going to do range D3, because that's where we want to enter our results, dot value equals R. All right, so go ahead and see if this works. So N, and then D3 should return north if we run this macro. Excellent. So now why don't we go ahead and insert a button? There's a couple ways you can do this. You can either go to developer and then go to insert. Under the form controls, you can have the button here, and then we'll select our macro and then just double click to rename, do execute. Oops. Now you can also insert a shape, which I like to do. So go to illustrations, we'll insert a shape, and then you can pick any shape you want. Let's do the smiley face. All right, so let's change the color. I want to change it to a green color. Hey, that looks good. And then we're going to right click on the shape and then go to assign macro, select direction, and then click OK. Now let's change this to an E, and then D3 should return east. So go ahead. Awesome. Try one more time. S. We'll use our button over here to execute. And south. Excellent. You can have the if statement do other things as well. So let's go ahead. If it's an E, we're going to do sheet 2 dot select, and then we're going to do range b3 dot value equals, hey, this is sheet 2. Close off our double quotes. Now if we enter E here, and then run our macro from the shape, and there you go. You can also do formulas. You can also do conditional formatting or just coloring cells, etc. There's a lot you can do using the if, then, and else statement. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and as always, I'll see you next time.